Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to fill out Chase money order. First, purchase a money order from a Chase branch or another authorized location and make sure you know the exact amount you want to send. Now look for the field labeled Pay to the order of. Here write the full name of the person or business that will receive the money order. Then double check the spelling to make sure it matches the recipient's identification or business name. Next, find the purchaser section, which may be labeled From, Remitter, or Sender. Now enter your full name in this section. Then write your complete address in the designated field. After that, look for a field labeled Payment for Account Number or Memo. Here enter any relevant information such as a utility account number, invoice number, rent details, or the reason for the payment. Then review all the information you have entered to make sure everything is correct. Now find the line labeled Purchaser's Signature at the bottom of the money order. Here sign your name exactly as required. Remember to sign only the front of the money order. Do not sign the back, as that area is reserved for the recipient. After that, check that all fields are completed clearly and accurately. Then detach and keep the receipt portion of the money order. This receipt contains important tracking information and can help if the money order is lost, stolen, or needs to be canceled. Now give or mail the completed money order to the recipient. Finally, keep your receipt in a safe place until the money order has been received and processed. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.